Welcome to the world of data science, specifically Python. Today, we're diving into the fundamental building blocks of programming, arithmetic and variables. These concepts might seem simple, but they're the foundation upon which we'll build more complex data structures and algorithms. Understanding arithmetic and variables will equip you with the essential tools to solve problems and manipulate data effectively. So, let's get started. Lesson 1. Printing in Python. The print function is a versatile tool for displaying output on the screen. It allows you to communicate information to the user, log the results of your program's calculations, or even create interactive text-based applications. By using print effectively, you can make your programs more informative and engaging. Here's an example. This code will output the following. The first line of code uses print to display the message, "Hello World" on the console. This is a classic introductory example in programming, often used as a starting point for learning a new language. The second line of code also uses print to display another message, demonstrating how you can use this function to print multiple lines of text. Next lesson is arithmetic. Python's ability to perform arithmetic operations is essential for solving a wide range of problems. Whether you're calculating the total cost of a purchase, determining the average temperature, or analyzing financial data, arithmetic operations are a fundamental building block of programming. Here's an example. This code demonstrates how to perform basic arithmetic operations in Python. Variable declaration. The variables num1 and num2 are declared and assigned the values 10 and 5, respectively. Addition. The plus operator is used to add the values of num1 and num2. The result is stored in the result variable and then printed using print. Subtraction. The minus operator is used to subtract the value of num2 from num1. The result is stored in result and printed. Multiplication. The asterisk operator is used to multiply the values of num1 and num2. The result is stored in result and printed. Division. The slash operator is used to divide the value of num1 by num2. The result is stored in result and printed. Lesson 3. Comments. Comments are lines of text in your code that are ignored by the Python interpreter. They are used to explain your code, make it more readable, and help you understand it later. By using comments judiciously, you can improve the readability and clarity of your programs, especially as they grow in complexity. Here's an example. The first line of code is a single-line comment, indicated by the hash symbol. This comment briefly explains the purpose of the following code block. The second and third lines are a multi-line comment, enclosed in triple quotes. This type of comment allows you to write longer explanations that span multiple lines. The remaining lines of code calculate the area of a rectangle and print the result. The comment before this code block provides additional context and clarifies the purpose of the calculation. Lesson 4. Variables. Variables are like containers that store data within your Python programs. They can hold different types of values, such as numbers, text, or Boolean values. By using variables, you can create dynamic and flexible programs that can adapt to different situations. Creating variables. To create a variable, you simply assign a value to it using the equals operator. For example, this code creates 3 variables: name, age, and is_student. The name variable stores the string Alice, the age variable stores the integer 30, and the is_student variable stores the Boolean value true. Manipulating variables. You can modify the value of a variable by assigning a new value to it. For example, this code first assigns the value 10 to the variable x. Then, it adds 5 to the current value of x and assigns the result back to x. Multiple variables. You can use multiple variables to perform calculations or store related data. For example, you could calculate the total cost of a pizza by using variables for the base price, number of toppings, and topping cost. In this example, the variables base_price, num_toppings, and topping_cost are used to represent the different components of the pizza order. The calculation base_price plus num_toppings multiplied by topping_cost determines the total cost of the pizza, which is then printed using print function. That's a wrap for today's Python lesson. We've explored about printing, arithmetic operations like variable declaration, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We also learned about comments, variables, creating variables, manipulating variables, and using multiple variables. Remember, practice makes perfect. Review the code examples and try creating your own programs. Subscribe for more data science tutorials and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. In our next video, we'll dive into functions in Python. See you there.